The Social Welfare Department is seeking the intervention of the state government for the upgradation of Anganwadi Centre in the state. Social Welfare Director Camelia Doreen Lingwa said that there are around 6,000 Anganwadi centres and many of those were created 2 decades ago. Some of the centres do not have electricity, while many do not even have water and toilet facilities.
The functional ones, like the ones that are okay, like there are more than like 6,000 are functional, but in between there might be some that do not have electricity connection, some do not have water connection, and some the toilets are there, but then we also need a water connection. So it's not the toilet facilities are there, but for lack of water connection, the interventions need to be done.